Ignition Perspective Project Tracking Dashboard. Team members are Abigail, Conlon, Peyton, and Raquel. This project was part of Michigan Tech BME Senior Design and was sponsored by Stryker. Main problems this project aimed to fix were a lack of real-time, reliable, and accessible project data on the manufacturing floor. The previous method of project tracking was inefficient, not updated in real time, and caused errors from unauthorized edits, and this is critical in medical device manufacturing, where errors or delays can impact product quality and patient outcomes. Below you can see the previous Excel project tracking system. The project definition is to design a functional web-based dashboard using Ignition Perspective, capable of viewing frequently updated project information. The dashboard must have security features to only allow engineers and admins to change or add project information, and includes help features for all users to reference best practices information. The objectives for this project are: build a real-time project tracking dashboard using Ignition Perspective, replace inefficient Excel-based systems, improve visibility and accessibility of project data, implement secure, role-based access controls, create a user-friendly and filterable interface, and will be laptop, tablet, and mobile accessible. This is the final project design shown on the laptop. Here, you can see the user is selecting each project unit. The user then clicks the Help button for instructions. Now, the user navigates to the Data View page and selects each project unit and project category. Next, the user will add a task called Test 1. Once this is added, the user will select that same task to edit, renaming the project Test 1 Edited. Finally, the user will delete this task. This verifies that all the buttons function correctly. Then the user will sign out of their admin account to show that some features are unavailable if you do not have an authorized account. Now we are looking at the final project on a tablet. The user is testing all the same buttons and functions as on the laptop to show the dashboard functionality on a tablet. This project is web-based but can also function on the Ignition Perspective app for smartphones and tablets. By improving project visibility, our project helps manufacturers and engineers make faster, more informed decisions and reduces risk of errors. Thank you for watching.